Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be showing you how to use aluminum tinfoil in the air fryer. Let's begin. If you had a long day at work and you need to save time on cleanup, I would suggest using aluminum tinfoil. However, if you want better results like crispier chicken wings, I would avoid using aluminum tinfoil. But if you need to save time, aluminum tinfoil will do the trick. First thing what we're going to do is grab a sheet of aluminum tinfoil. For the aluminum tinfoil, you want to put your middle finger under the aluminum tinfoil and your index finger and thumb on top, and then you just pinch. Same thing. Pinch again, and if you have to, just pinch the top to form the ridges. This will help elevate the chicken wings a little bit, just so that the juice flows to the bottom. Pinch your thumb and the index finger together to create the ridge. Just like that. And it should look something like an accordion or a wavy potato chip. We're going to open up the air fryer and we're going to put the aluminum tinfoil in. Just like that. Make sure the corners are tucked in so it doesn't touch the heating elements of the air fryer. And if you want, you can pinch it a little bit more, just so that you have more defined ridges to elevate the chicken wings. Looking good. This should help elevate the chicken wings. This is what it looks like before we put in the chicken wings. As you can see, there are ridges to elevate the chicken wings. For the chicken wings, we're going to add some salt, some garlic powder, and lastly, just a little bit of ground black pepper. We're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, we flipped them over. And now let's season the other side. Just like that. Next, we're going to spray some cooking oil onto the aluminum tinfoil so that the chicken wings don't stick as much. Next, we're going to put the chicken wings in. There we go, we have all 8 chicken wings in. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees. For a total time of 24 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 12 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. As you can see, they're not sticking too much onto the aluminum tinfoil. And they're coming off pretty easily. There you go, we flipped them all over. As you can see, there's some chicken juice on the bottom, and the wings are a little bit elevated. And now let's put it back in for the last 12 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 24 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. As you can see, they're not sticking to the aluminum tinfoil. There we go. As you can see, while the chicken wings are elevated, the chicken juice pooled to the bottom. It's really easy to clean up. You just fold it up, both corners. And that's it. I poured out a little bit of barbecue sauce for the chicken wings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.